Hey there friends, thanks for checking in. You're looking at two Kahr handguns. Here we have a Kahr CT9 and over here we have a Kahr ST9. Both very similar, but there are some differences that set them apart. Let's first take a look at the CT9. They released the CT9 3 or 4 years ago. I absolutely love this gun. This is the common style of gun that you would notice when you look at a Kahr gun. It does have a stainless slide black polymer frame, 4-inch barrel, comes with an 8-round magazine and a very smooth 6.5 pound double action trigger pull and almost a full reset for the follow-up shots. This model has a barred dot sight system, and the package all in all is very nice. It's one of their larger models, but it's very accurate, works very well for me. But this is part of Kahr's value series, and it's majorly discounted, especially after they released the S series. Now this is the smaller S9. It does have some upgrades here. It does have front serrations, a Picatinny rail for the accessories. It comes with two 7-round magazines. This one will come with two 8-round magazines and 3-dot sights. So the upgrades are nice, a little different engraving on there as well, but it still offers the same trigger pull. Now, Kahr came out with the S9 and the ST9, and that's what this model is. And I want to focus on this because you can see this one is very different. It does have a Kryptek finish to it in a black Cerakoted slide. This is part of the TIG series. There are 3 guns in the TIG series, and this is, I think this one here is pretty phenomenal. They also have a Desert Eagle and a Thompson rifle, but you'll notice here it does have the TIG logo right there. TIG is short for Tiegen, John Tiegen. He was involved with the Benghazi attack on the compound there, and a very sad part of American history, but he was part of that and assisted those American soldiers there, and he started a foundation called Beyond the Battlefield, and there is the logo for Beyond the Battlefield. Now what they do is they assist warriors as they come back from war to integrate into American society. So a portion of the proceeds or the profits go to that foundation, and that is the main purpose with the TIG series, as well as offer outstanding guns like this. So here we have the ST9. It also has his signature right there with the black Cerakoted slide, the trigger, and a Kryptek finish on there. A nice blend, kind of like scale-ish look to it. I think Kahr did it right. It really looks nice. Has the same upgrades with the front serrations, 3-dot sights, Picatinny rail, and comes with 2 magazines. I saw this selling for $3.90 on Gunbroker. I think it's a pretty good deal. 2 8-round magazines and that same 6.5 pound trigger pull that is very smooth. I really like the way that looks. 4-inch barrel, and the 3-dot sights work so well. Drift adjustable rear sight, pinned in front sight, and there's his signature there, and it also says Semper Fi. One of the things that people don't understand, or they fail to understand, is how simple it is to disassemble a Kahr handgun. All you have to do is push out that pin on the opposite side. Just give it a little push there, pull the trigger, already did that, and off comes the slide. Here we have an uncaptured recoil spring and all steel guide rod, and here is your 4-inch barrel. Very nice setup, very easy to do, and I just find it simple. I'm very familiar with Kahr. I've been carrying Kahrs, boy, it feels like forever now. It's a great carry gun, very thin, very light, and I love the way they shoot. But we're going to go ahead and put it on the scale here. But upon the reassemble, all you have to do is put that pin in, get that sweet spot there, and adjust that, and there you go. Just like that, you're good to go. So let's get it on the scale. Move these other guns out of the way. I intentionally loaded this magazine so we can put this on the scale. The unloaded weight of this Kahr ST9 is 1 pound 4 5/8 ounces. We move these just to ounces, and we're looking at 20.5 ounces. Now we'll load a magazine with 8 rounds, target loads, and that is weighing in at an even 24 ounces. For a gun that is, you know, right between a compact and full-size gun, 24 ounces makes it for a nice, easy carry gun. And, you know, once again, comes with 2 8-round magazines. I love that trigger pull, and I'm going to be taking this to the range and showing you everything that this gun is capable of, and I have high expectations. I love the way it looks, but I just know I'm going to love the way it shoots even more. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.